Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on Practice 2.2a. Directions. Write the following pitches on the staff using half notes. Be aware that the clef changes. Okay, so I'm going to do the sample for you. So it asks for a D sharp 5. We know this is D4, so D5 is going to be up here. So first we need to write this in as a half note. Now, the two greatest problems that students have with writing accidentals is first, they'll write it like this, which is way too tiny. Okay, so make sure your accidental is a decent size. The second biggest mistake students will make is they'll do something like this. Okay, so they'll be kind of sloppy, but notice the middle of the sharp actually says that this is an E sharp, but there is no E. So we have to make sure that the middle, the accidental, is on the same line as the note head or in the same space as the note head. So our sharp here, whoops, that's too small, will be like this. So that the middle of the sharp, the line is running through the middle of the sharp as well as the note head. Okay? Go ahead, do numbers 1 through 8 on your own, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Okay, number 1 is a G flat 4. So G4 is down here. And the flat we're going to write just like this, where the middle, the line goes through the middle of this flat as well as the note head. Number 2 is a B sharp 3. So B3 is down here. And our sharp will go right in front of that. And then number 3 is an E double sharp 5. So that is this E5 here. Now a double sharp, I normally just do an X. But if you notice, there's little boxes on the ends. So if you want to be extra fancy, you can go ahead and fill in those little boxes on the tip. And then we have an A double flat 5. So that's going to be this high A up here. Now with the double flat, sometimes students will do this. And that's incorrect because you see how close together the double flat is. So we want to be sure that they're practically touching like that. Number 5, we change clefs now here to bass clef. So if you didn't change clefs, go ahead and erase your answers and try again. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, so C3 is down here. Now we're going to add a sharp. So we'll do that like this. F double flat 2. F2 is down here. We're going to add a double flat. D double sharp 4. D4 is up here. And we're going to add a double sharp. And then A flat 3. So A3 is over here. And we're going to add a flat. If you have any questions about how to write accidentals correctly, please reread section 2.2. In general, just make sure your accidentals are big enough and the middle of the accidental is aligned with the note head. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 2.2a. Thank you for watching.